Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Hello.
Hello. Welcome to the CN Tower. Bonjour et bienvenue pour la tour CN. My name is Paul, and I'll be taking you up to the lookout level. In case you're wondering, we're traveling up at 22 kilometers per hour. That's 15 miles per hour, and it takes only 58 seconds to reach the top. Once we're there, you'll be 446 meters above the ground. That's 1,136 feet. From this elevator, you can, you're looking out at the southeast view of the city. That's Toronto Islands and Lake Ontario on your right-hand side there. Once we get a little bit higher, you'll be able to see the Air Canada Centre on the left. It's got a red maple leaf on top of it. And here we are. Be advised that the elevators to go back down to the ground are one level below this, and that's also where